That's kind of creepy.
Chinook,
think he's
did you
freaking out a
did
little
you
bit.
take your did, did you hey, did you take your lithium today?